What is up, everybody? What is up, YouTube? Sparky Marky Marky, and I'm about to do a unboxing of an item, but it's already been unboxed. But here, I'll give you a little description of what is this, and these are LED neon signs, new style, USB, powered with switch. You got the planet. Could that be Saturn or Jupiter? No, it's Saturn. A game controller console. Greetings, Earthlings. And it's an alien. Again, LED neon sign. Let's take a quick look, shall we? And these how they look like when they're glow in the dark. That's right, folks. Now, which one did I? Oh, it's obviously as a check mark, so it's the game console, y'all. And let's see how it looks. Let's check it out. Like now, yo. And these are the signs that have what the colors represents, or what are they featured with the lights. Alrighty, folks, here it is, and this is how it looks. You see the lines, a switch, and a USB, and you have to connect it. Alright, so enough staring at this. One last look. And show it glow. Well, display first, then glow in the dark. Let's check it out. Alrighty, folks. Before I put this on display, word of advice, when you stick these by the wall, you have to measure it first. How is it going to fit? How is it going to look? Before you start putting them together. You have to put these first, but for starters, you have to measure it to make sure they're even. And also, secondly, you have to be very sure, positive it's correct. And one more thing, you have to leave these hanging one day, by the way. You can't just like put them first and then put the LED light, any LED object on there. Because if it does, it'll start breaking apart after you put them there. You have to wait one day or a couple days to make sure it's ready to be fit. So yeah, folks, you understood? Yeah, that's what happened. Alrighty then. Now let's see how it is in display. Alrighty, folks. So here it is on display. And of course it's plugged, right where the plugs are. And of course you need a USB to connect it. Alrighty. Glow in the dark time. Glow in the dark. You like it, folks? You like it? You dig it? Tell me about it, y'all. It's a must. It's totally worth it. Admire it, ladies and germs of the world. It is here in the man cave. You can get any design you want. By the way, at the end of the video, you're going to see photos as well. Only on the box, of course. If you like any sort of content on this channel, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos. You have any opinions, comments down below. And also, always appreciate some thumbs ups. Please give the video a thumbs up. Always appreciate it. You have any opinions, comments down below. So yeah, folks. Bright lights, neon, baby. And plus, I'm in the YouTube community, so I often post what time I post videos. Like, it depends on what time. It's not in the morning hours. It's going to be in the afternoon, like maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 p.m. Or if it's at night, it'll be like maybe 7 or 8 p.m.-ish. Or maybe 6, somewhere in that timeline. So yeah. Just admire a couple more seconds, y'all, before signing off. Ignore that, folks. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark, signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. And enjoy the weekend, y'all. and later.